Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. So come closer to me to watch my video with full concentrations. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet tops, crochet shirts. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Today we are going to introduce the crocheting. First of all, we will tell you what is crochet. Then we will discuss with you crocheting history. May you enjoy that. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. Crochet is a crafting technique that involves creating fabric from yarn to thread using a hooked needle called a crochet hook. The hook is used to pull loops of yarn through other loops to create various stitches and patterns. Crochet can be used to make a wide range of items, including clothing, blankets, accessories, and decorative pieces. It allows for great creativity with various stitches and techniques that can produce intricate design and texture. Now we will discuss some crochet history with you. Crocheting has a rich history that dates back several centuries. Its exact or somewhat unclear, but it is believed to have developed in the earlier 19th century in Europe. Early beginnings. Some theories suggest that crochet may have evolved from earlier needlework techniques, a method of knotting yarn practiced in various cultures. 19th century popularity. Crochet began gaining popularity in the early 18th century, especially in France and in British Iceland. It was often used to create lace items such as dollies and edging for garments. Victorian era. The craft flourished during the Victorian era, when it became a popular pastime among women. Patterns and books on crochet started to be published, making the craft more accessible. 20th century. The introduction of synthetic yarn in the mid-20th century made crocheting more affordable and diverse in items of materials. It also saw during the 1916 and 1917 becoming associated with counterculture and bohemian style. Modern revival. In recent years, crochet has experienced a renaissance with a new generation of crafters embracing it for its versatility and creativity. Social media platforms have played a significant role in sharing patterns, techniques, and finished projects. Today, crochet continues to be a beloved craft appreciated for both its artistic potential and its therapeutic benefits. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. The design which we brought today may you did not see in your life before. So keep in touch with our channel. We will meet with next video. Thank you very much for watching.